long time since seen you. That's awesome. I'm here by to get back. So, hmm, there's a number, there's a number in January 2025 and 2026. So, for the heavy snow, we're gonna get you July, Big Sur, BG, is the gonna see city everywhere, like a city man. But I remember all together the heavy snow, because bigger is that's what to do with the that way. So, where's all the people? So once they get down, we have to get to that five. The time we're going to take on the other side. 65 years old, 70 years old, 80 years old, 90 years old. You need help. The people, the old ticket people, to eventually get things to your situation. So once you start like the people, they got to work for the market. All tickets to people to get things to your own woman, own man. So when you feel happy, you can say, oh man, it's just, oh, I'm taking you to travel. You need help right now. You know, just come back, get it away. Because somebody to check out right to do every weekend. But when you see the now, what do you do? But when you start running to just say everything is just clear, to just get them, get the magic, get your outside, you go change everything. But when you start with all these politics today, because the people own women and own men. But once they do that, you need help because the people own men, who own the woman. It took all the responsibility that is running. Nothing but pathway. So you got your mom and your dad, your grandma, your grandpa. You feel like it's like a transaction for the same country right. You can't do it. You need to do it because you will help. But when you get the shopper, no, the fact that you can stuff out, you got to do the driveway. But you have to do this way on the driveway. But that's what everybody else. So you just think about you guys try to do this way. Okay? You feel about suggested every on this process. It is over years ago. It is just the people, old women, and the old men. But it's a wonderful help. It is that's what you do. Do you understand how somebody should take out one time? Because it's something that is too hard in the body. The body is just burning gets back that dirt. That's what you can have to unless you recognize one pathway. But you just have to be careful. The people just help you get them that way. Remember, you practice it in the need help right now. The first you got to get all the big people that you got to see right to the harassment we say. Winter, there's gonna snow, something gonna see half a snow, and the busy is it somebody heavy and it's gonna blow out. It is cold the body. But you said that that's how this body possibly say. Because you got my whole mentality just like this. They got by the whole body. You just like you got you get the coat on, glove, hat, then you get the pants, a shoe, you get the boot. I mean, you get back the boot. And the best thing I think we do. So, Anyway, if you if you go to be help right now, you gotta say one thing. It's always be help whether you got to get to right. That that's why just a long years ago the president wanted to defeat people. Because he said that why he got to get off on speaking to them. Because he just I think that they should every time the people they thought you guys did if I something you just buy something if you never think about the people. Because you guys like you guys have what you think that way. More people, all security people, people was actually doing done. Also, you gotta be good help right now. Because you got to die by your knees, you don't know how to say. I saw there the TikTok, not just the video, but not just I know that you got to hard with this guy. Sometimes you got to the problems I did. So you got the problems you go to pray, figure the God, when you get you to the box, I'm gonna help. And you're still got to got problems to get them in the right time. So, I'm wonderful when you go to be help right now. Remember just I told you that today, why you do things? Why you just make all like this is fine? No kid. You are the Donner, like the shopper. The shovel, take the cheese the title. No. He got it too high. Come on. We're gonna see when you're there. You're gonna tumble. Get away. Get away. Don't touch me. 2025 to 2026. Don't forget. You gotta look at you guys how you did your important thing. It's going to already be hot right now. You all get the family. Go back to the family right now. The first she's acting like they got the fire. They got to get rid of family that's alive. Why you going to sit alone? People are alone are all the people. When you need help because you the people, you got older. It's stronger. That you got a body that you got that time to travel. That you got body you just run out. It's always be here, but you have to sit down. Somebody gets to the family, but that's not what it is, that's what it is. But it was just what it is, he project. Every weekend. But what is it actually just what it is on a fire? No, you just make it up. You know, if you was trying to choose just something, you need help right now. You gotta be help. You donder. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, please, 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 please. You have to talk about the chicken, man. No both you. But you just be nice to the people. But yeah, she's outside the wall. What you just not what you just not by my word. What you just see that just not what you say. I told you the morning that's what I said. What I do, my mama did never get trouble. I did do that. I got to set them no boring and then she's trouble. Because we did more time, more weekend. Just got somebody to help and the thing has to do something about. But it's just a free pointing and punching capacity everything to work. You know, the shovel, never born, with the just for the hub. And that's just another back. You do the such a hub. Let's just get something that you guys get every weekend. If you got more time too. But that's how just on the way. Because you expect that you need help, your mom, your dad. So just get back to get to the market to say, gee, you know, just take everyone to back to take your daughter, your mom, your dad, no kids. So you should get back to go to Jason Martin to his children, never children. But what you should find out? So, are you from Michigan? Yeah. Because what you should get is trouble. You need help. Everything. All this weekend, jumping to church, you got to find out these problems. Nobody should touch it just how you get to begin to come out. Okay? You just back to the dance something you want. One right over check that all the book time. But you got just watch this one not play. This is that you never get back to the okay? They don't just have to get distracted that fighting is cold outside. With the provision of the winter, heavy snow, everything. So you can walk along, you can be the hot. People hope that the people, old man, old woman. The rest of the house is going to 6 months because you want to shovel. They're going to use grinder. Yeah, we use grinder. Come on. Because it's just a doesn't matter. Because it's about that fucking thing, everything in the weekend. But it's a real story. It's a real story to the people. But it's a wonder you guys are watching this too. So, it's every weekend to do that this topic. So, well, that's exactly the reality. People are amazing help. It's a great help. Everybody else help. You know about it. Being a donor, I think I don't start thinking everything in your life. And this is the one that said, oh, come on. That's it. Whatever. I'm gonna do that. No, that's just something. How do you feel about it? Now that you that everybody else, they're gonna you need help. They're gonna travel. You do it. They're gonna you try. You got a great job. But if you did it, like every working money, you just making that kid to help for free. Shovel. No money. That's not WG you can buy there. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to just have to do a button. That you just ready to for light. I'm going to turn the light again. I'm going to just the time. Now you're just ready to try to pick the button. Because you just say, come on. I love the you get the video. So we're going to see this thing about forever. Thank you, you know. I love you, everybody. This is a wonderful. She got her. She got her. That's the awesome. You just press the button. Come on. Come on, see everybody else. So you got to get the song. See the button. Come on. I got 65 people, but more. Come on. Like, dude, I'm dating on the issue. That you that thing. Come on. Shaun Johnson, video. That is the rock them on the channel. That is the right. Shaun Johnson, video. Bye. That is the second time. Bye.